Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm going to be showing you how to create custom New Super Mario Bros. 2 levels. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need the Citra emulator. You're going to need a copy of New Super Mario Bros. 2 either on your 3DS or on Citra. I'm going to be showing you both ways to play it. You're also going to want to go here and download this here version, download Coin Killer. I'll be linking it in the description. It's going to download as a zip file. You're going to want to extract it. It'll show up here and open up Coin Killer. Go back into Citra and right click on your thing. Click dump ROMs. And here's your folder. Go back into Coin Killer. Load unpacked ROMs. Take this location. Go here, select folder, and then you got all your choices. Go to World 1-1, you got your level here, and you can just start tinkering around if you want to. So I'm just going to tinker around here. You'll probably get like a time lapse of me doing it, and then I'll come back and show you what to do. I've redone that level. Forgot to explain something. When you go to Citra, right click on New Super Mario Bros. 2 and click Open Mods Location. And that's where you're going to put your ROMs. Rename it ROMs. And let's see if it works. Okay, so it's something in the level I made. I'll come back when I get it working. Okay, so I had a few issues going into this because the last level just decided not to work. But I tinkered around with the level a little bit, and we are going to see if this works. Make sure the level ROM, the ROMs folder is named ROMs, because that was an issue I had. Let's see what goes on here. Here we go. Look at that. There's not supposed to be water there. I like how it just froze mid-animation. Let's see if I can finish it on here. And I'll show you how to do it on the 3DS right after this. Why is it so choppy? And it's done. Now let's move over to the 3DS and see how to do it there. So the first thing you need to do for the 3DS is put your 3DS's SD card into your computer, open up the Luma folder. If there isn't already a folder called titles, you need to make it, and then put the title ID for the region for New Super Mario Bros. 2 you have. So copy the folder with the title ID, paste it onto the titles with the title ID inside that folder, wait for it to finish. So once that's done transferring, just right click it, rename it to ROMs. And then you can just eject it and head on over to your 3DS. So on your 3DS, when you turn it on, make sure you hold start. Make sure enable game patching is enabled. Press start, it should save and restart your 3DS. And then open up New Super Mario Bros. 2. See if it worked. And it worked. So that's really it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week with something related to either the 3DS or portable emulators. See you later.